Insurance experts are now weighing in on a state senator's call for another special session to address the skyrocketing cost of property insurance for millions of Floridians. Governor DeSantis is also making news by addressing the subject on a conservative talk show where DeSantis urged patience and expressed hope for no hurricanes this season. Tarek Miner is following this crisis for us and is joining us now with an update. Tarek?
And Tom, while speaking on a radio talk show, the governor said he thinks more insurance companies will return to the state of Florida after this hurricane season. The governor doesn't appear to be entertaining the idea of another special session, which some senators say is needed to bring homeowners financial relief.
The talk needs to be of a special session.
You heard it here yesterday on News4JAX. State Senator Tracy Davis of Jacksonville urging her colleagues to return to Tallahassee for another special session on property insurance, but this time with the goal of saving homeowners money. Industry experts are responding, saying financial relief will come in time, saying the call for another session is a hasty decision.
And when we're hearing now about proposals for special sessions, I'm not sure what they're going to address. And to me, that's a panic decision because you've got to give it time.
Governor Ron DeSantis is also urging patience and, quote, knocking on wood that we won't have a big storm this summer. While speaking to conservative talk show host Howie Carr yesterday, when asked about Florida's insurance crisis, DeSantis said the following about legislation passed during the last special session.
I think what's going to happen is because we did those reforms, it now is more economical for companies to come in. I think they're going to wait through this hurricane season, and then I think they're going to be willing to deploy more capital to Florida. So knock on wood, we won't have a big storm this summer. And then I think you're going to start to see companies see an advantage.
The conversation comes on the heels of Farmers Insurance announcing that it plans to no longer offer coverage to Floridians. Industry experts say Farmers Insurance may not be the last to decide insuring Floridians is too much of a financial risk.
We have seen some projections that other companies may decide to take similar actions in withdrawing from the state, but we have no definitive information about that. I know it's been speculated by some experts as well as some former legislators here in Florida.
Now, the governor said last year Citizens Insurance was unfortunately undercapitalized and that the company could go belly up if they actually had to weather a storm, according to Florida politics. Now, the president and CEO of Citizens is asking the Florida Office of Regulation for another rate increase of 13.3%, which will raise policyholders' premiums with Citizens once again. Joy?